In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background in HeyGen. So the first thing you'll need is a HeyGen account. In case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can sign up using my link and you can get HeyGen completely for free to try it out on the free plan over here. So once you've done this, once you have your account, over here to actually change backgrounds, you will first of course have to create a video. You have to click on create video up here and then tap on avatar video, or just click here create a video on the home tab. So it doesn't really matter which one you do. And then over here you will have your avatar video. Now of course you may have your custom avatar in here or whatever you're doing. It depends on what video you're creating, but if you want to change the background, it's quite straightforward. At the very top right over here you can see it says background. Just click on this and then you can select the background. So you can choose from different colors like this. As you can see, I'm changing the background color, or you can also select an image, which you can basically search from the free image library, or you can also take a video which is basically powered by pixels over here, and you can just put it as this in the background over here. So of course you can also add in media as well, so you can upload it or just add in some random media like that. So let's say this is the one I added in here. There we go, just a random image. But if you put it like this, as you can see, it's now in front, so you gotta make sure you right click and then you want to click on move back, and just like this it's gonna get moved into the back over here of this character. So you can do whatever you want, you can put in whatever media you want, whatever elements you want, and then just put them in the back by right clicking and you're good to go. You've successfully changed background in HeyGen. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.